Good morning, good afternoon and good evening to all my students and my viewers. This is the channel Unconventional Learning and we are back with our day 4, which is technically, obviously it is day 4. Day 3 was yesterday and I did not upload any kind of video. There were some personal reasons that's why I hope you all can understand. Now, so before we begin, let me introduce myself. My name is Zaraksha Aftab and I make videos focusing on JAC Board Examination 2021, which I'm doing right now. But after that, I will stretch my hands more to English vocabulary, English speaking skills and other things. Okay. So आज हम लोग को विस्तास का जो MCQs है वो करना है and at the same time हम लोग को short answers भी करना है. So what I'll do, I'll not go chapter wise because वो थोड़ा सा boring हो जाता है, थोड़ा सा lengthy हो जाता है. तो हम ये कोशिश करेंगे आज कि आपको एक झटके में ये बता दें कि MCQs, क्योंकि डे बिफोर येस्टरडे जो आप वीडियो देखें उसमें आपको अच्छे समझ में आ गया कि MCQs आंसर कैसे करना है. बट बहुत लोगों का ये डाउट है कि मैम विस्तास में हम चैप्टर्स अभी तक पढ़े नहीं है बिकॉज बहुत लेंदी है, बहुत ज्यादा है उसमें, तो कैसे क्या करें. सो हर चैप्टर में जो इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस बोर्ड पूछते आया है 10 साल में वो हम आपको यहाँ पर शॉर्ट में बता देते हैं. ऑलराइट. So beginning from the chapter the Tiger King, now see the Tiger King में जो कुछ questions है जो बहुत पूछा जाता है is see the page number which is I guess page number 32. The first question, the wooden tiger was carved by. Wooden tiger कौन बनाया था? तो जो सही ऑप्शन है वो है an unskilled carpenter, shopkeeper, master craftsman, British carpenter नहीं. जो जिसको कोई स्किल नहीं है, जो बहुत बेकार माना जाता है, वो बनाया था वुडन टाइगर. और ये वुडन टाइगर क्यों इतना इम्पोर्टेंट है? अगर आप चैप्टर पढ़े होंगे तो आपको पता है ये वुडन टाइगर ही वो वजह बनता है जो टाइगर किंग को उसके मौत तक ले जाता है. ओके, ही डाइज बिकॉज ऑफ दिस वुडन टाइगर. ऑलराइट. नाउ हु इज द ऑथर ऑफ द स्टोरी? सी द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. रामास्वामी अय्यर, कृष्णमूर्ति, कमला दास, कल्की एंड नन. नाउ रामास्वामी अय्यर कृष्णमूर्ति इज कल्की हिमसेल्फ. ही राइट्स विद द पेन नेम कल्की. ना यहाँ पर ये प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक के वजह से ये क्वेश्चन गलत हो गया है, क्योंकि आप दोनों में से ए या सी जो भी ऑप्शन देते हैं बोर्ड एग्जाम में, अगर ऐसा क्वेश्चन आता है तो दोनों में से जो भी आप ऑप्शन मार्क करेंगे वो सही होगा. ओके, बिकॉज Ramaswamy Iyer Krishnamurti and Kalki are the same people. Okay. Now, see the question number which comes often is the third question. The 100th tiger had been shot, fainted, disappeared, been set free. Obviously, the correct option is B, fainted. See the another question which comes often. Who actually shot the 100 tiger? 100 tiger को मारा क्यों है? अभी यहाँ पर हम क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे थे कि 100 टाइगर के साथ हुआ क्या है. ऑप्शन में फेंटेड लिखा गया. यस, it fainted first and later on it was shot. So it was shot by one of the hunters who accompanied the king, king's guest, soldier, British high officer. The correct option will be one of the hunters who accompanied the king. वो उस टाइगर को मार गिराया था. ओके, 100 टाइगर को, एंड इसीलिए टाइगर किंग को लगा कि अब उसको कुछ वो वुडन टाइगर कॉज बनेगा. नाउ द क्वेश्चन नंबर 19. व्हाट बिकेम द कॉज ऑफ द किंग्स डेथ? ए, टाइगर फ्रॉम हिज वाइफ्स फॉरेस्ट, बी, अ टाइगर इन हिज स्टेट, सी, एन ओल्ड टाइगर, डी, द वुडन टाइगर फ्रॉम द टॉय शॉप. जस्ट नाउ आई टोल्ड यू वो वुडन टाइगर ही वो रीजन बनता है. तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन क्या होगा? 4th, दैट इज द वुडन टाइगर फ्रॉम द टॉय शॉप. Now the important questions which could be asked, which has been asked in the model paper is, see the question number in short answer or the answer question. See the question. Okay, question number 5. How did the tiger meet his death? Now this is a question which is frequently asked. Tiger King मरा कैसे, या Tiger King था कौन, उसके नाम का मतलब क्या है? So all these questions. Question number 5. How did the Tiger King meet his death? Question number 1. How did Tiger King acquire his name? These two questions are most frequently asked, so you please see that. Okay, I don't know whether you want me to read the answer or not because it's there on the screen. Okay, one answer I can read it to you. How did the Tiger King meet his death? The king brought a wooden tiger as a birthday gift for his son. It was made by some unskilled carpenter. One of the silvers of its body pierced the king's hand. Soon the infection developed. 3 surgeons operated the king's hand, but the king could not be saved. This is how the Tiger King met his death. So वो वुडन टाइगर जो बर्थडे गिफ्ट की तरह जो किंग अपने बेटे को दिया था टाइगर किंग को, वो कहीं ना कहीं उसमें एक कांटी जिसको बोलते हैं नेल निकला हुआ था, that pierced into Tiger King's hand and that led to infections which led to surgery and he could not be saved. So ये बहुत frequently asked question है जो आपका boards में आ सकता है. Second chapter which we'll begin right now is Journey to the End of the Earth. Now in this again the author of this story is very important, Tishani Joshi, that please memorize that. Then another question which comes, the narrator was abroad on the ship. See the third question. Academic Discovery, Denim Explorer, Academic Shoklisky or Titanic. Now Academic Shoklisky is the correct answer. Please remember spelling ध्यान से देख लेना, क्योंकि तुम सोचोगे अच्छा academic तो है तो फिर first option भी हो सकता है, but no, the correct option is Academic Shoklisky. Okay. Now, what was Gondwana? This is again one of the most frequently asked questions. See the question number 8 on the screen. A, an ancient city in Antarctica. A, an ancient supercontinent. B, C, an ancient tourist place. None of the above. जिसको पता नहीं होगा गोंडवाना है क्या, उसको ये बात बिल्कुल समझ में नहीं आएगा. It is an ancient supercontinent. Option B is the correct answer. Again, another question which is frequently asked. 11th number. For how long Gondwana thrived before the landmass was forced to separate into countries? A, 100 million years. B, 500 million years. C, 600 million years. And D, none of the above. So the correct option is B, 500 million years. ये सब ऐसा question है जो बहुत important है. This can come. Now, Geoff Green कौन है? ये भी बहुत important question है. Which the option is? See the question number 12. A fellow of the Royal Canadian Geographical Society and Explorers Club. So this is the correct option. So again, if you see in the question answer, the first question, what do you understand by Gondwana? This is again one of the questions which is come in your model test paper. Tomorrow when I'll discuss that, I will tell you all कितना सारा questions match किया है हमारे इस book से. Okay. So question number 1, question number 6 is important. What do you understand by Academic Shoklisky? Why was it heading towards Antarctica? This is very important. You can also see the question number which comes often is question number 3. What was the aim of the program Students on Ice? Okay, this is also very important. See that. So why I'm making you all mark the important questions, because many told me that ma'am Vistas, I have already prepared the book Flamingo, but Vistas, because the chapters are so lengthy, we are finding it difficult to study it and prepare. So that's why I'm giving you the important question and answer. The third chapter, which is the enemy, again it's a very long chapter. Now in this, the important questions which can come, undoubtedly the author, it goes unsaid, that will always be there. So the enemy is written by Pearl S. Buck. Option B, question number 1, you can see on the screen. Then there are a lot of questions which could be asked here. Question number 6, when the assassins did not come, Sadao decided to kill the prisoner, help the prisoner to escape, take the prisoner to police, none of the above. So the correct option, because I know the chapter, is help the prisoner to escape. The recovering soldier was fed by. The recovering soldier was fed by. I'm asking, see the question. The question is being asked was fed by, not was by. Was attended by. Was healed by. Was treated by. Treated by कौन था? Dr. Sadao. Was fed by. खाना कौन खिलाया था? Hannah. That was Dr. Sadao's wife, because जो हाउस हेल्प थी, जो सर्वेंट थी, वो मना कर देती है, बिकॉज जो इंसान को खाना यहाँ खिलाया जा रहा है वो एक अमेरिकन है, एंड सदाओ एंड हाना दे आर जापानीज, और वहाँ एक वॉर चल रहा है जहाँ वो लोग अमेरिकन को अपना फ्रेंड नहीं मान सकते. ओके, सो द रिकवरिंग सोल्जर वॉज फेड बाय ए सदाओ, बी सदाओ सर्वेंट, सी हैना, डी यूमी. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज हैना. Okay, another question is question number 18. Where did Sadao meet Hannah? The option is A, America, B, at the Professor Harley's house, C both A and B, and D in the neighborhood. So the correct option is America में मिला था and एक professor के घर में था. You'll read the chapter, then you'll understand. If not, you can go through the question and answers so that you get a glimpse of the chapter, or read the summary from anywhere in the internet. You can find it. Now the important question and answers which are there are why did Sadao marry a Japanese girl? Question number 3, that is from your past year boards paper. Then another question which is frequently asked is how did Hannah help Dr. Sadao discuss? Question number 9. Okay, then another question which is very eminent is question number 8. Why did Dr. Sadao treat the American soldier even though it was unpatriotic act? It was an unpatriotic act. Why did the general not take any action against him? So Dr. Sadao was a doctor first. उनको अपना डॉक्टर का ड्यूटी ज़्यादा निभाना था, इसलिए वो उस अमेरिकन in spite of the Americans having a war with the Japanese and such a conflict going on, Dr. Sadao अपना जो डॉक्टर वाला जज्बा है वो पहले रखते हैं, and he treats that American soldier, and the general also did not take any action against him. Okay, it was because general needed Dr. Sadao's skills to save his life, because he himself was not well, the general. Okay. Then another chapter, should wizard hit mommy, is not there in your syllabus. On the face of it. Now on the face of it also a question which is frequently asked are again who written on the face of it. The correct answer is Susan Hill. Then who is Mr. Lamb? An old man, a middle-aged man, a young man, a child. So the correct answer will be, I think, an old man is the correct answer. Okay, who is Derry? A small boy, a good-looking boy, a boy of 14 and has acid burnt marks on his face. None of the above. Now यहाँ पर कोई स्टूडेंट बोल सकता है मैम तीनों में तो बॉय है, तो तीनों में करेंगे तो सही मिलेगा, बट तीनों का अलग अलग है. एक है स्मॉल बॉय, एक है गुड लुकिंग बॉय, एंड एक है एक बॉय जो 14 साल का है और जिसके चेहरे पे एसिड बर्न का मार्क है. सो ऑब्वियसली दिस इज मोर परफेक्ट, दिस इज मोर प्रिसाइज, दिस इज मोर क्लियर, सो इसमें मार्क्स ऑब्वियसली मिलेगा. What was grown in Mr. Lamb's garden? It was crab apples. Please remember that. Question number 9. Then how old is Derry, which is question number 12, with the correct answer will be 14. How did Mr. Lamb pick his apples with using a ladder and a stick? Question number 15, it's also on the screen. So these are types of the questions. Now again a question, what ate Derry's face away? Very frequently asked kind of short question, but here you'll have MCQs, and it is ants, acid and accident, none of the above. So the correct option is acid. Derry was a boy of 14 years of age who had an acid, who is an acid victim. Okay. Now fill in the blanks में बहुत important है. जैसे for example, the terrible woman said about Derry that it was a face only a mother could love. Derry entered Mr. Lamb's garden by climbing over the wall. So these are kind of important. Now question and answers में हम लोग देख सकते हैं. Who is Mr. Lamb? How did Derry get into his garden? ये एक important question number 2. Then you got burned in a fire, says Mr. Lamb. What do you think had happened to Derry's face? Derry's face के ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा question आता है on the face of it से कि Derry का face को क्या हुआ था, क्यों हुआ था. Okay, so this is a frequently asked question. Then how does Mr. Lamb die? This is okay. Question number 12. It's also on the screen. ये भी बहुत important है. Now see, if I'll keep on discussing the answers of it, it will be along this. But let me just see any question which I can discuss. So that's important. Okay. Now this one I'm going to discuss. You got burned in a fire, says Mr. Lamb. Question number 4C. Derry's face did not get burned in any fire. It was an acid which had burned one side of his face, and according to him, it did not eat his face but also ate his self-confidence. So ये जो acid था सिर्फ उसको नहीं खाया, उसका self-confidence भी खा गया था. This is what Derry says. A 14-year-old boy जो एक acid attack victim है. Ivan tries an O-level is out of your syllabus. So what is out of your syllabus? Third level is out of your syllabus. You have another chapter which is Wizard Hit Mommy is out of your syllabus. Ivan tries an O-level is out of your syllabus. So 3 chapters are out of your syllabus. Okay. Now in memories of childhood, what do you mean by memories of childhood? Okay, so memories formed during childhood period. Who is Bama's brother? Bama का भाई कौन है? Anand is the correct option. B. ना कोई बोलेगा मैम आनंद तो ब्रदर है तो बॉय होगा तो बॉय भी हो सकता है. नो, अगेन इन MCQs the most correct will be considered as correct option. What did Anand tell Bama? मतलब आनंद बामा से क्या बात किया? A, running away is the only way to solve the problem. Education is the only way to break the chains of caste system. Keeping quiet is only the way to solve the issue. Dying is the only way to solve the problem. So obviously आनंद जो है अपने भाई बामा को बताता है कि education is the only way to break the chains of caste system, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं बामा एक untouchable होगा. So this is what he is being told कि आपको अपना जो education से इस chain को तोड़ना है. Who told Bama that untouchability is a crime? Okay, who told Bama that untouchability is a crime? Her brother Anand. Just now we discussed that Anand gave him advice. Anand gave him advice that no, तुम पढ़ो लिखो और उस education से इस caste system के chains को तोड़ो. So he gave. What advice did Anand give to Bama? This is again one of the questions which is asked in your board model test paper. Question number 3. Okay, Anand advised Bama that he should study with care and learn everything she could. It is the medium of study which will help change people's opinion towards her, and they would attach or interact on that basis. These words of her brother made a deep impact on her. Which comes often is what scene made Bama laugh loudly? So ऐसा कौन सा scene हो गया था जो बामा को इतना जोर हंसने में मजबूर कर दिया था? It was this. I'm reading the answer. Bama saw an elder on the street along the direction of the bazaar. He was carrying a small packet in his hands, and Bama guessed that there was something like varai, is VADAI होना चाहिए वहाँ पर, is in the packet, which was holding by a string, which was being holding by a string without touching it. Bama thought that in this manner the packet would be undone and all its content would fall out. That thought made Bama लाफ लाउडली. मतलब ये अनटचेबिलिटी का ऐसा बीमारी फैला था कि जो इंसान किसी के लिए खाना लेके जा रहा था वो इस तरह से लेके जा रहा था कि एक पतला थ्रेड से पकड़ा हुआ था कि अगर कोई भी वजह से वो थ्रेड टूटता तो सारा कुछ जो उस पैकेट के अंदर है वो बाहर बिछ जाता, वो बाहर गिर जाता, एंड दैट वुड हैव मेड अ वेरी फनी इंसिडेंट. सो इन दिस चैप्टर इट इज ऑल अबाउट अनटचेबिलिटी, हाउ it shouldn't exist but it still existed, or it still exists in today's time also. So important question कौन है? What advice did Anand give to Bama? Bama को क्या चीज देख के इतना हंसी आ गया? वो social discrimination of caste system के बारे में बामा क्या चीज जाना? These all are the things which are there in this chapter. So basically in Vistas the important questions which can come is who is Tiger King? How did he meet his death? Or who is Tiger King? Why? What is the mystery behind his name? Okay, what was the prophecy done for him? Then another question which is very important is what happened with Derry? Who is Derry from the chapter on the face of it? Who is Derry? What happened to his face? Then who is Mr. Lamb? What is the relation between Derry and Mr. Lamb? Yeah, how did Mr. Lamb die? He fell from the ladder जो वो अपना एप्पल्स उठाने जाते थे, and he fell from the ladder. That is the answer. So these types of questions which is frequently asked in your board exam. What is Gondwana? Okay, then what was the name of the ship in which they were traveling? What was the name of the program? ये बहुत important questions, one of the important questions में से है. And then another chapter which you have is, I guess, yes, who is Dr. Sadao? How did he treat the soldier? Or who is Dr. Sadao? Why did he treat the American soldier? Then how did Hana and Dr. Sadao treat the American soldier? So these are the questions which are very prominent, and ये आपके 10 years के boards papers से बहुत ज़्यादा पूछा गया है. Now tomorrow I will discuss the model paper, and in that process I will be discussing your question and answers as well. So this was only focusing on Vistas. आपको अगर चैप्टर नहीं समझ में आया है, go through this book Exam Target, and what you have to do is read the question and answers. First read the question and answers, then go back to the MCQ and fill in the blanks. आपको हम ये tip दे रहे हैं. The tip for today is that you first read the question and answers of the book Exam Target and then go back to MCQs to solve. इससे क्या होगा, जो भी आप question and answers समझेंगे वो आपको MCQs solve करने में help करेगा. Okay, so first read the subjective, then go to the objective. It will help you. First understand the chapter, read the summaries, then go back to the MCQs to solve. I know वो पहला पार्ट होगा आपके एग्जाम पेपर का, लेकिन जब तक आपको चैप्टर पता नहीं होगा आप MCQs कभी सॉल्व नहीं कर पाइएगा. So today's tip is first do your subjective part, जो समझने का पार्ट है, उसके बाद आप जाके ऑब्जेक्टिव का तैयारी कीजिए. So I discussed about विस्तास today. I hope इस वीडियो के बाद आपको विस्तास पढ़ने में और विस्तास चैप्टर्स को समझने में कुछ हद तक you'll find it convenient, because I don't know whether they will give the exact model paper which they have given this time. I mean they have released right now. ये हम आपको कल डिस्कस करेंगे and कल बताएंगे that how will you answer a perfect board paper for JAC 2021. Okay, so according to the new pattern. Alright, so we'll meet tomorrow at 7 PM. Till then, please be safe and keep watching the video and share, subscribe and hit the notification bell if you have it. Thank you so much.